flies. Bro, it's so crazy how dope technology is. Like, now we can put freaking batteries in our bikes. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we have a dope video for you. As you've seen from the title, I got an electric dirt bike. Let's check it out. It's right behind me. I gotta build her up real quick. So I'm gonna put this thing together real quick. Then we're gonna shred. Let's put her together. But bro, look at this thing. This is going to be sick. Gang, check it out. My brand new Sur-Ron / Segway X260. One last thing we need to do. Oh, baby. So gang, we got the whole electric dirt bike built, ready to go. Oh my lord, look how pretty she is, bro. Oh my gosh, dude, this thing is so sick. But as you guys know, will it shred? Let's hop on the bike, put the helmet on, and see what this thing is capable of. So gang, we got my beautiful electric dirt bike here, the Sur-Ron or Segway, whatever you want to call it, they're the exact same thing. But yeah, we're about to go shred. This isn't the first ride, this is just sort of an unboxing ride to see how she goes. I'm gonna be doing a first ride video where we go insane. But this is just, you know, to feel her out. This is my first time on my own e-bike. I've only ridden one other one for like 5 minutes. Key on. Well, the horn works. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, dude. Oh boy. What's up, car? Yeah, I'm on an e-bike. Don't worry about me. I'm on an e-dirt bike. Yo, this thing rips already and it's stock, bro. Like, I'm planning on doing some crazy mods to it. But it's ripping already. The pegs are a little far back though. I need to put them a little forward. There's a lot of dead room in the throttle, but we out here. Yo, so my first impressions are like, this thing goes fast. For like a mountain bike. So I consider this like an electric dirt bike / mountain bike. They feel so like similar. Let's go! We electric bros out here. I don't know if that was an electric scooter or not, but so my first impression of the bike, amazing, bro. It is so fun. I'm gonna take it off-road and see what it's about, but like, it's smooth, bro. Like, some people were saying like you can't hold a constant throttle, it like starts bogging back and forth. But bro, that's not with this one. With this one, I don't even know what year this model is, a 2020 or 2021. I have no idea. But as you can see, we're going 70 kilometers per hour. Dude, I keep thinking I have a foot brake. Oh my gosh. How sick would it be if I put a foot brake on this? It would be gnarly. Alright, let's see if I can pull up a little. Oh boy. First wheel ski I tried, bro. Are you kidding me? Oh, we're lit! Are you kidding me? Let's go! It's definitely so much different than a dirt bike, like a gas dirt bike. But it's fun. Like, you can literally just go anywhere. A little off-road. Oh my god. Let's go. Bro, it handles the off-road so good. I don't know what people are talking about the some people were talking about the front forks are too like soft, like they bottom out. I don't know if it was this version of the bike, because like I think every year they update this bike. The thing that I'm noticing from just riding normal is the bike sort of like, it pushes you forward. Like, it makes you want to sort of lean over the bars, because I think the seat sort of angled down a little. I don't know, I'm not really sure, but that's how I'm feeling. Maybe if just the bars Everyone says get like riser bars that rise up a little, so I'll probably do that. This thing flies. Bro, it's so crazy how dope technology is. Like, now we can put freaking batteries in our bikes and shred. It's insane. Oh my god, you can tune a little bit. You gotta be right on that freaking sensor, because it's like electric throttle. Dude, I tried to downshift right there. I got a bug in my helmet. So I got a bug. Ah! Bitch in my ear. Bro, I have the worst luck of getting freaking things in my ear, bro. But like I was saying, bro, I was trying to downshift right there. But you don't need a downshift. Oh my god, bro, look how thick this is. Woo-hoo! Bro, that grass is so thick. Holy crap, you can just see my mark in it. Oh, bro, it chills at 12. I thought it would fly back like a pedal bike. All right, a little off-road. Oh my gosh. Close my visor because there's hella bugs. Bro, it literally reminds me of like a 110. Like, if you guys were wondering how much power a stock Sur-Ron is, it feels similar to like a 110. But like a torquey 110, if that makes sense. It's a lot more torquey. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, it's so overgrown. Bro, I'm about to take this to the skate park and be doing, dude, I can't wait for the adventures on this bike. Like, guys, you have no idea, I'm gonna take this e-bike world to a whole nother level. The thing that's cool with the Segway over the Sur-Ron is it has an app where you can like change the power modes, and like if you want engine braking or regenerating, because it's not really it's pretty much engine braking, so you can put engine braking on where like it regenerates the battery. All right, so you have engine braking. I'm gonna turn this thing fully on. Oh, you can feel the difference. You can really feel the difference with the engine braking. Before it would just coast forever, but now it feels like a normal bike. It sort of slows down by itself. Oh my god, it's way easier to wheelie. It's way easier to wheelie with the engine brake on. And I guess it charges your battery. I like the engine braking because like without it, it just coasts forever, which sort of makes it feel like a two-stroke. So maybe for like coasters and stuff, that'd be fire, but who knows. Whoa, that was a drop right there, bro. All right, let's enter this little trail. It's a little rough trail with tons of spider webs. It's a little flooded right here. I don't know if this thing can handle water, bro. That's not that deep. A little water. Screw it. We're gonna take this thing through everything. Ah, I just felt a spider web. Yeah, there's way too much water back here, bro. Not today, gang. Not today. This trail is a bust. We're just going through water, chilling. And there we have it. The unboxing with a little test drive at the end. Yo, this thing flipping epic, bro. I'm excited for the future videos I'm gonna make with this, because I'm literally gonna take this off cliffs and stuff. We're gonna get gnarly with these e-bikes, bro. I'm telling you, it's a whole new world for me, so I'm excited to learn all about it, start upgrading, doing mods on this. If you guys are wondering, I got this from Segway Miami. I think it was like one of the last ones left in Florida, so maybe call them up and they might be able to hook you up. I know they're getting orders in soon, like August or something, but everyone's getting their orders in August, so this thing is flipping sick. The Sur-Ron / Segway 260. So one more little walk around. She's a vibe, bro. And I'm really glad I got the silver, because at first I was gonna get all black, but I was thinking, I was like, you know what? It sort of blends in too much with the all black. Like, it makes the whole bike look plasticky, but this is all like metal or aluminum or something. But I thought it was plastic on the other bikes, because the way they paint it makes it look like plasticky. But yeah. So gang, remember, stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. Tons of e-bike videos coming soon. If you have any ideas for the e-bike, let me know in the comments down below. I freaking love you. Till next time, peace.